This is coffee and plants. Plants and coffee, right? Hello, hello. Good morning. Here we are in Texas, and I'm here with my friend.
Tanner the planter. Excited to have a little cappuccino today.
Let's try this. Salted caramel sea salt.
I've got the classic cappuccino. You got to stay classic when you're judging coffee, I think.
It's sweet, but the salt makes a really nice balance to it. So
It's very creamy, flavorful, pretty strong. Yeah, it's a strong coffee.
I'm gonna give it a 7.5.
Ooh. I don't know if it's because I've been having bad coffee lately or what, but I'm going about an 8.5 on mine. It's a really good show out.
This is Collective Coffee in downtown McKinney. You gotta try it. Tana the planner, my friend here, is an expert in indoor plants. I'm gonna ask you something pretty cool for salon owners that are looking to get some plants in their salon. 3 top plants for a hair salon, taking in consideration size, maintenance, and filter.
Okay, so for size, you don't want to get in too much of the way, but you need some height. Dracaena Lisa. They're very upright. They don't get huge and wide. They're not going to get in the way. Also, they're low maintenance. It doesn't get any better for low maintenance than the snake plant. I actually see a couple of them that we have here. The snake plant, it's going to also purify the air. #1 air purifying plant out there. But this is the type of plant, man, you want to leave for a month at a time, come back, it's going to be perfectly fine. Finally, you need something trailing. I'm going with the golden pothos because it's incredibly hardy. It's a great air purifier as well. And it's really easy. Super hardy plant. Those are my top 3.
Okay, I'm gonna put pictures so you have the reference. I don't have any snake plant in the salon, and golden pothos. I have the regular pothos, but not the golden one. So that's 2 plants that I got to get to my salon pretty soon. Well, this is it. Tana the planner, Joel. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and
Hey, don't worry. I know where you can get some of these plants. I can hook you up.
I'm gonna put it on the description. Follow him.